वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। आज इस वीडियो के अंदर हम बात करेंगे हाउ टू मेक मनी विद एआई आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस से आप लोग कैसे अर्निंग कर सकते हैं। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। When done right, an AI business can bring in thousands of dollars every month, and you would be amazed at how little it costs to keep the wheels turning. We have put our minds together to bring you some of the best ways of making money with AI, and trust us, and these are not generic ChatGPT hacks you have constantly seen. Dig into these AI freelance and money making ideas. You will be 80% of the way to making your first dollar with AI. 14 ways to make money with AI. We have got 14 ideas that you can run with. Each of them requires access to some sort of AI tool and a bit of strategic thinking, but each is accessible for those looking to make honest money online using AI. Even if you don't create a business or side hustle out of these, you can still improve your productivity by learning how to use AI. Write blogs or copyright with AI. Writers content creation is the largest platform almost all digital marketing. Traditionally, it's a process that demands a significant investment of time and creative energy, from brainstorming and researching to drafting, editing, and finally publishing, depending on the topic, complexity, and the content length. This process can span hours, days, or even weeks, and even weeks. AI content writers can do everything from blog posts and social media updates to long form articles and reports. This opens up a world of lucrative opportunities for content creators and digital marketers. Businesses are always on the hunt for fresh, engaging content. It's what helps them climb the search engine ranks, captivate their audience, and cement their authority in their industry. Copywriting and content writing can be lucrative careers or side gigs as long as you continually improve. Use AI in smart ways and are easy to work with. You can make money writing quickly. Our favorite tools you should check out are Jasper AI and Write Sonic, but there are plenty of others out there as well. Create and sell AI generated artwork. AI art is exploding on the scene, opening up new opportunities and marketplace in the art industry. Artists traditionally spend hours, days, or even weeks creating a single piece of art. They need to come up with a concept, create the artwork, and then find a way to sell it. Today, there are AI design tools that make it easy for anyone to make AI art. The AI art generators can create unique pieces of art in minutes. The best let you iterate on an image until it reaches perfection. It might seem like a hack, but creating graphics people want to buy with AI is no easy task. Prompt engineering is a real challenge in a saturated art market, but if you hone your skill and find a niche, you can sell AI generated art in no time. Pro tip: pair AI art with the print on demand service to sell your own online store, website, or use an e-commerce platform like Etsy. It's a better way to go than selling JPGs and might increase your profit margins and don't infringe on intellectual property. Better to think of your own ideas than you try and sell pictures of Mickey Mouse. And the product development: developing a product, especially in the tech industry, is complex. It involves conceptualizing an idea, designing the product, writing the code, testing, and finally launching it. This process can take months or even years depending on the complexity of the product. AI code assistant like Copilot can significantly speed up this process. They provide real time code suggestions, automate repetitive tasks and even debug योर कोड। तो एआई से आप लोग कैसे अर्निंग कर सकते हैं ये हमने देखा आज की वीडियो के अंदर। वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक करें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। टेक केयर।